Hello, this is a short tutorial for those of you who have never used FlipGrid before. The link is provided in my email, but you can also just type it directly into your browser. flipgrid.com/ENG011 faculty. Okay, from here, you can click Join with Microsoft. I'm being asked to pick my account. I have input all of your coastal emails into the FlipGrid group, so we should have no problems here. It says login successful, and it brings me to the FlipGrid home base, if you will. The instructions are copied here as they are in the email, and then you can record a response. So you just click the record a response, and then it's going to ask if you can use your camera and your microphone. You can say allow, and then here I am, and I can just click this button and record myself talking about my English 011 ideas and success stories. And then after that, you do have some additional options you can get fancy and do editing and some effects and things like that. That is totally up to you. You can just do the bare bones, blah, 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 and record and be done. Notice that it will cap at 10 minutes. So just keep that in mind. And that's really all there is to it. Once we get a few posts, I might do a follow-up video on how to comment, but it is fairly user-friendly. So I hope this helps, and just email me if you have any questions. Bye.